In Spring Boot application, we can read application.properties file using @value annotation and using @configuration properties annotation. In this video, I am going to uh, I am going to provide a demo application for @value annotation. Using @value annotation, here we will fetch list, array and map. I have already created an application. So first find our class. This is employee class. It has emp name. It's a string data type. A string of list, string data type, and array integer data type. Map, key is integer and value is string. Okay. Find the properties file. This is this is for emp name, and this is for text, and this is for data flips, and this is fabbooks. This will inject value in list, and this is for arrow, and this is for map. In property file, we can configure list by a delimiter. I'm using here comma. So text will get the list at index 0 will be Python, then Java, and then JavaScript. Array and list are the same in the case when we are accessing data from property file using @value. So for the data flips, I have 12, 15 and 17, and this will be injected into the array. For the map, use the syntax this one. And one thing, that list and array and normal property we will fetch using the property placeholder, and for the map we will use the SpEL syntax. So look here, for the emp I have the app.imply.emp name. This is property placeholder. Just assign it with @value. And look, this is list of string data type. So text will get data as Python, Java, JavaScript. Array of integer data type. So these values will be injected from this map. For the map, use SpEL syntax. Okay. And to configure data in configuration file, use syntax like this. Okay. Key, this will be key, this will be value, this will be key, and this will be value. In this way, we can read the data from property file. Okay. So let's run it. Okay, normal property key, this is list, and this is array, and this one is the map. Suppose in the case of list, we want to configure our own delimiter. Suppose this is dash. So what we can do is use SpEL syntax. Okay, and split using the delimiter dash, because I have configured here dash. Okay, just check it, the syntax. Okay, let's run it. Working. In this way we can use SpEL syntax to get list. For the same way, SpEL syntax can also be used for the array. Okay, let's run it. Syntax error. Okay, we are missing this one. Brace cell we are missing. Now it's working. In this way we can in this way we can read list, array and map using @value annotations. One more thing we need to know, if you want to define any default value, so just suppose you have not defined any value for x, or there is no such key in the property file, then what we can do is just define a default value. For the default value, use here colon, and our separator is this, so use like this. Suppose ABC dash PQR dash XYZ something. It's a default value, and I'm deleting this key from here, or just commented it. So the default we should get ABC PQR XYZ. Okay, in the same way we can set default value for array. Okay, in the same way we can set default value for map. Okay, and suppose I am commenting array and map both, so we should get I look at here in the array I am using comma, so separated by comma, and this should run. Let's test it. Some syntax error is there. Okay, find out what is the error there. Okay, this error is in array. Okay, array is of integer data type. Here we are doing mistake here. Okay, now run it. We got success. In this way, we learned how to use @value to read list, array, and map from property file. Thanks.